My name is Sam Reilley. I am VP of People and Culture here at BSC Analytics. We are a cloud consulting firm, and we work with clients that can't figure out how to tackle their cloud environment needs, and we bring in the best of the best to tackle. BSC Analytics is 100% remote team. When I came on board 3 years ago, we were a team of about 20, and we have quadrupled in size in the time that I have been here. The main catalyst of that growth has just been our focus, but I think especially in my role, which focuses so much on our culture, the thing that I'm most proud of is that the reason that people love working at BSC remains the same, and it's because of the people. And so I think that speaks so much to our culture here at BSC. Through my interview process, jumping into a role like this, was really curious about the culture. So the number one question that I get with someone like with a title like myself, you boast about the culture so much. How is that possible when you never with your teammates? And I think a lot of that has to do with our culture, and a lot of that has to do with HeyTaco, which I had never heard of before coming to this team. I think that having HeyTaco keeps our team so connected despite being all over the US and even worldwide as well. We have a channel on Slack called the Taco Truck channel, and that is the main vein in which people throw tacos to one another. It's a huge point of conversation that I use on a daily basis of like, hey, I saw Max got tacos from Cody for X, Y, and Z, or because he killed it on a client call. Like, what happened? Tell me, like, what did you do? And I think it just makes a team that is so spread out, even in different time zones, just feel connected to see who and what people are doing on an everyday basis. And it keeps you motivated and engaged with the team. I think we are a 100% remote team, and on an annual basis, we fly every single person on our team to one location to get away from our Zooms and away from just our remote life in one space and be in real time. So being able to share a cup of coffee with a coworker, or joining in and having a delicious meal with someone, doing like a cool adventure, is the main focus of our company retreat. And when we sat down as a company and thought about like, what should we call this? Like, company retreat feels so like ho-hum, like what is something that like really speaks to us? Then we got to TacoCon, and because of HeyTaco really becoming a part of our everyday, just made sense. TacoCon have two main redemptions that people can claim. One is an Amazon gift card, which speaks to everyone's soul. The other one is a Tango card, and the Tango card is like a catalog of different gift cards, everything from like Airbnb to Best Buy to, I mean, you name it, it's on there. So that's been great, especially for some of our international teammates, because it's expanded outside of just Amazon. That maybe speaks to them and their location. We've also just this past year, we did a BSC Gives Back campaign where we actually put in a donation so people could redeem tacos for a donation, and we fundraised for code.org. Which was a new way that we hadn't used it before. I assume that this coming November we'll do the same, of just like giving back and being thankful for kind of the privilege that we are given in working at BSC, and thinking about how we can kind of like ripple that effect outside of our own world.